out front. Another shout out to O'Reilly's. Thank you guys. Big shout out to Melvin. We're getting ready to get in this passenger seat, get safety belted on. We're gonna go for a ride. Let's go, guys. All right, we'll sit that there for just a second. All right.
User mark ahead.
Here we are, guys. We are well safety belted in, and here we go. This is another beautiful day. It really is. I got a feeling I'm gonna have to hang on to this thing pretty good, aren't I?
Chances are.
Is it? Chances are. This is absolutely, man, that thing sounds awesome. I'm telling you guys, he didn't even get on it. He's just babying it, and you can feel it pull. Man, yeah, you really can feel it. It's got tons of torque. Holy smokes.
Turn off or what?
You think he's got his blinking ball?
He
There he
changed
goes.
his mind.
Yeah, there he goes.
He's going to count it up now.
There he saw it. Might be what he's waiting on. There he goes. Got the thing right. Yeah, guys, this thing has loads of torque. I've been in trucks that don't have that feel, that pull.
As soon as he gets out of the way, I'm going to get him.
Oh, here we go, guys. Let's get ready. Expected a little bit, but dude, that is crazy amount of pull. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys. My face still stretched on. I think I might have broke the seams there. Holy smokes. Man, never in my life. Never, ever, ever, guys. I kind of want to say it's almost like an amusement park ride, but it's more intense than that. It really is. Like, it's a one-off. There's no explaining that feeling, really. You either get it or you don't, I think. Wow. That was definitely intense. Wow. And I'm trying to process that a little bit so I can explain it to everybody. But that's definitely,
Yes!
yeah, I think that's about the only way to explain that is, yes, explicit is. Yes, that's the way to go. Never in all my life, guys. I can't wait to watch that video again. I want to see myself because it just felt like I was glued to that seat. Like if you chained 1,000 rhinos together, that's what it pulls like.
You can hear the ProCharged unspooled.
Yeah, that's amazing. That's what that sound is. I was wondering what that is. Wow, this is the most intense ride ride I've ever been in. I've never been in anything that pulls that way. Guys, I'm telling you, you better bring it. Wow, that thing pulled hard. Wow.
These roads are too dirty.
Yeah.
Much trash.
Oh my gosh, guys. I didn't even like, you could buy tickets to this thing. I'm telling you, this would be great. You could set up at the town fair and just do block to block. Never in all my life, Melvin. I don't even know how to explain it. I'm trying to process it to put it into words for everybody watching, but I'm kind of dumbfounded.
I can't either. It's actually the first time I've done that.
Yeah.
Since this last rebuild, or last add-ons, I should say.
Wow.
And yeah, I'm not used to it either.
Man.
The track is the only place to do it. I'm
Yeah.
telling you. It's the only place to do it.
You get a heck of a launch there too, don't you? Man, guys. I would wreck a car like this real quick. I can't drive that good to be able to handle something like that. It would take a lot of practice, years, I think, of practice and just developing the skill to really hang on to it. I think most people, would be safe to say, would definitely have their hands full, guys. You gotta be ready for this. You're not just gonna get in this and go. So, all the money in the world can't buy you some things, guys. I mean, you can get the car, but that doesn't mean you're gonna be able to drive it. And believe me, it takes a skill. Definitely. I would have a car like this wrecked. I would. If I did anything like that, I would definitely, well, way far beyond my means of reflex and accountability to maneuver a car. This is definitely on par with any race car, I'd say. You put him on the track, I'd say, with something that's built for the track. And if they get him, they brought their lunch. They definitely brought it. That's the only way. There's not gonna be anybody beat this car, guys. There's no way. That's insane. You hear that? That is amazing. That is awesome. And this camera, I can't keep it out away from me. It just keeps finding its way back towards me. For real, it just eases up. Man, what a beautiful day, too. Blessed. Man, you guys hear that? Thinking about what I did with my day, you know, kind of reflecting for a bit, and I'm still going to be trying to process this with Melvin. I think so. Man, guys, wow, what a thrill ride, I'm telling you. This is a beautiful piece of engineering and machinery, it really is. To get a car to achieve this level of performance, you're not just going to knucklehead throw some stuff together and hope it works. There's been some people, probably a lot of people, do some very serious arithmetic and research and development. There's a lot of engineering in this car, guys. Definitely. makes you smile and scares you a little bit at the same time. It makes you happy to be afraid. It's the most comfortable scared I've ever been. Oh, that's awesome, man. That first pull, Melvin, was amazing. I've never felt anything like that ever in my life.
Once you know you're flipped up, there's nothing to it.
Right?
It's just that first 60 to 80 feet.
60 days.
You just don't know what's going to happen next.
Man, I'll tell you. And it pulls like you don't know what's going to happen next. Oh my gosh. It's like you took the biggest, meanest, like ox, a big bull ox, who's just been pent up for years and can smell the female cow across the pasture, and then you just let him go one day. You just cut the gate open and just let him loose. And it's kind of the same principle there, I think. That thing is just mad and ready to go, and there's nothing going to get in its way. Stop it. Wow.
I took a guy for a ride at work today, and he told me the car was angry.
Very, very angry. Man. Yeah, this is, it definitely turns Clark Kent into a Superman car. For real, guys. Melvin, that was an exceptional experience. Thank you, sir. I have a feeling that that is, unless I go for another ride with you, that's very likely. Once in a lifetime experience for me, sir, and I appreciate that, and I'm glad you share that with me. Thank you very much. That's real great of Melvin, guys, for real. Like, you don't get to ride in this kind of machine very often. They're just not around, and for him to share that with us and to share that with me, that is a great thing, and I really appreciate it. And guys, telling you, it's something that I remember even to the day I pass. Always, I'll never forget that. That is amazing. Always, you definitely have to feel that.
And I'd like to give a big shout out to Indiana Musclecar and also the guys over at FSI Racing in Claypool. Great job, guys. Appreciate your work. Great job.
We appreciate your work too, guys. So if you're looking for a great build and you want things like that done, get a hold of them, man. I'm telling you, we can definitely attest to the work. The performance in this machine, it shows. And Melvin, since he's had it back out this summer, you know, he's had it out and he's played and he's ran, and it's reliable, right? You haven't had any issues. So to have that kind of performance and reliability, that's unparalleled. You won't get that with the supercar.
No.
$400,000 car, $500,000 car, you're not going to get that kind of reliability.
You won't get any bald eagles, and you won't get any freedom with the supercar.
That's right. There you go. And you definitely won't get a pull like that. I don't know what kind of supercar you would have to be in to get a pull like that, but I'm thinking you're talking $1 million car, guys. Any of the newer cars that come out like that, to get a pull like that, like, no, your Lamborghini's not going to do it. Your Aventador and things like that, maybe not a stock one off the showroom. Maybe Ferrari, love Ferrari, or maybe like a 918 Porsche, McLaren P1. That's the kind of power and numbers and the kind of pull and things that you're looking at. And this car definitely has that same performance. And I bet the reliability is a lot better. The maintenance is probably a little cheaper, isn't it? It doesn't cost him $500,000 for a front diffuser.
No. $40,000 to change your oil.
Yeah, it's so bad. All right, guys. We are back here at O'Reilly's. Another shout out to them. This has been a blessed day. We thank Melvin again, guys. And we will see you in the next clip. Keep on trapping, guys. We'll see you soon.
Peace out.
Peace, guys.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.